This is a two-plane automatic drilling machine project model. In this drilling machine, once workpiece is loaded, where 4 holes are to be drilled, that is there in the two plane. In one plane there are 2 holes are there. 2 holes requirement is there. Another plane 2 holes requirement is there. So you can see here in the workpiece. In the workpiece, yeah, this is a two plane drilling machine. Okay, so this is a requirement. And here in this demo, we are not using any tool bit here. Tool bit we can be inserted like this. We can insert the tool bit like this. So that is pending. But in this demo video, we are demonstrating it is going to drill 4 holes by press of a single button. So this project model is controlled by PLC. This is a PLC trainer kit that is Delta make. Delta PLC is used, which is having 8 input and 6 output is there. So these are the output section and these are the input section, 8 inputs and 6 outputs. And this is a communication cable where you can program the PLC using a computer or laptop. So you can see here WPL software is used to program the Delta PLC. So program is written there and it's already downloaded to the PLC. So here in the project module, the motor operating voltage is 12 volt DC, whereas PLC operating voltage is 24 volt DC. So that's why to interface 12 volts motor with the 24 volts PLC, we are using relay module here. So this relay module has got 8 relays. Why? Because each motor will have 2 direction, forward and reverse. So to control individually the direction of 4 motors here. So in this drilling machine project, there are 4 motors are there. One is for up and down movement, and one is for spindle rotation, and one is for left and right movement of the entire unit. And then there is a turning of the workpiece is done by this motor. So there are 4 motors are there. So 8 relays are used to interface motor with the PLC. Okay, so this is a wiring diagram. Wiring is there. Wiring is completed from the PLC to project module. Now here in the programming, we have given option called 2 switches here. One for home position. Here X7 is for home position and X6 for start button. Okay, so if I press the X7, if the project module is not in home position, it comes to first home position. Home position means spindle has to be at the upward position, and then entire unit should be in the right sided position, and then workpiece should be level to the horizontal plane axis. Okay, so this is the initial home position. Next, now I'm going to press start button. X7 I'm going to operate. Sorry, this is home position. Now once home position is reached, next if I press start button, then you see now first drill, it is going to complete the first drill. It is assumed that now first drill is completed. Now it is moving in the x-axis, that is second hole. Now second drill is going on, we have to assume that. Second drill is completed. Now workpiece is rotated, that is, now it is drilling machine is working on the second plane. The two holes are to be drilled. Now third drill is going on. Third drill is completed. Now fourth drill is going on. Fourth drill is completed, and now one cycle is completed. One cycle is completed. Now the time for unloading the workpiece, and you can put a fresh workpiece. And before starting the second cycle again, we have to operate the home button here, that is X7. If you operate X7, then it comes to the home position. So this is a home position. Now new workpiece is loaded, and then again start button is pressed for the second cycle. So loading is manual here, that is also can be automated here. So this project demonstrates using automation we can reduce the time of production machining operations. So that is going to increase the productivity as well as production rate. And these are the students involved in completing of this project. So these students are from BGS Polytechnic Chikballapur. Those are involved in this programming and then design and development of project module. Now we are going to operate the start button here, that is X6. We are going to operate X6. Now first drill is going on. First drill is completed. Now second drill is on the same plane. Second drill is completed. Now it will change the plane. In the second plane, two drills are required. This is the hole number 3. Now it is moving in the second plane, that is to drill the last hole, hole number 4. So we have programmed to drill 4 holes in a single workpiece. So that can also be changed by changing the program. We can have two holes or 3 holes or 1 hole. That depends upon completely the program. So this is also example of you can say flexible manufacturing systems. We can edit the program, we can change the program as per our requirement. Okay. So now workpiece we have to change So we have to assume that workpiece is changed, and then before start of the second cycle we have to operate the home position switch. So operate it. Now home position switch is operated. Now it comes to the home position. It assumes that it is now new workpiece is loaded, and then by click of another time start button, another cycle going to start. So that is the entire process of working this model. And these are the students involved in this project from BGS Polytechnic Chikballapur. I am the guide where programming of this entire project is guided to the students. Thank you.